Imagine living in a world where you have to spend 6 hours a day walking and looking for clean, safe, drinkable water. Imagine not knowing when your next meal was going to be. Imagine losing a loved one to an illness because they did not have access to basic hygiene facilities. This is the world that most people in rural Africa live in. Bad farming practices and lack of resources leave many destitute with no hope of improvement. Rural people must walk more than 1 mile to access clean and safe water. In sub-Saharan Africa, 43% of children drink unsafe water and 1 in 5 die before their 5th birthday due to waterborne illnesses. Poor sanitation and open defecation practices kill more children every year than AIDS, malaria, and measles combined. Our purpose for the Life Abundantly project is to transform the current conditions of the lives of Africans using self-sustainable tools to give them life, hope, and a future. Instead of giving handouts, which offers only temporary relief, we cooperate with these communities by giving them the tools and mentorship they need to be able to live abundant lives. 10 of the most poverty-stricken families in a rural community is chosen together with the village elders to enter into this agreement. As part of this agreement, each family receives a medical aid kit, Bible, and resources such as seeds and fertilizer to plant the chosen crop. They are mentored and trained to work the land themselves. They receive food for 5 months while they wait for the crops to be ready to be harvested. During this time, they agree to feed at least 2 orphans or widows in their community with the food that they receive. They receive water filtration buckets that filters the water so that they have clean and safe drinking water. They receive an extra bucket which they must fill daily for a neighbor. This teaches them that when we receive, we also need to give. They receive livestock in the form of goats and chickens, which is used for breeding as well as food. Once they have proven that they can successfully and accountably work with what has been entrusted to them, we build safe ablution facilities for the household, which is shared by the community. Life Abundantly project is driven by a single goal, coming alongside the helpless and hopeless to replace death and despair with life and hope. The most important part is giving them the good news of Jesus. The head of the family agrees to attend weekly discipleship courses where they are given tools to grow in their faith and continue in their journey of becoming fishers of men. The cost of the project per family for the year is $850, only $71 per month to change the lives of a family in rural Africa. We hope to initiate this program in as many communities across Africa as possible, starting in Malawi, where we have already started with 10 families in 1 village. A radical transformation of living conditions in this beautiful nation is needed, 1 village at a time. Not by providing endless handouts, but by promoting self-capability through mentorship, enablement, and participation. In the words of Jesus, "I have come that they might have life, and that they might have it more abundantly."
I can see the miracle that God can do miracles. Look at here, look at this miracle. This is a miracle. I've never applied any fertilizer in this garden. But see how God is doing it? He is fighting. He is a really miracle working God. Oh, Ebenezer.